So ilo mga guys no, mag-sit up taron o offline tab ta guys, Tecno Pova Pro. Tecno Pova 5 Pro. Guys, so sundin lang natin ang offline setup niya guys no. Sa sit up through offline mode. Offline mode siya guys. So yan lang guys. Simple rin siya guys. Pero after na guys, gi-reset din natin siya guys through unlock tool guys. So after na ma-reset na tool, need ko siya nga mag-set up sa offline mode setup. So okay na siya guys. So ganun lang kadali guys. Simple. So thank you guys. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much. Enjoy watching guys. Enjoy watching.
Turn na, okay?